Hey guys, I'm Brian Urlacher here with Restore Hair. I'm going to be ranking some athletes' hair on this little chart here. My first one, oh, David Beckham. We know about this guy's hair. The greatest. Such good hair and so handsome. He can be the best, no doubt. Next one, Rodzilla. I like Rodman. I like the way he designed it. I'm going to go with good on Rodman because he was fun with his hairs. Oh, brother Odell. Oh, he's got good hair. We're gonna go with best for Odell. We like his hair. Really good hair. TB12. Tom's got good hair. I think Tom may have made his better somehow. So we're gonna go with good for Tom. He always good hair though, especially with this helmet off. Neymar. Good looking hair. I like the pink hair, but it's not very long. I'm gonna go with okay with Neymar. I'm sure I'll get some for that, but it's just okay to me. MJ got no hair. So we're gonna put Michael at great, because he's the greatest of all time at everything he ever does. He's got great hair, best, whatever. We should put him above everybody here. At this point, yeah, he's the best. Everybody else is below him at everything. Doesn't matter. Whoa. Sugar Sean got great hair. We'll put him a little under Michael. I like him. Kevin, oh, KD. This is a terrible picture. Man, going by this, we're gonna go with not so good. Sorry, KD, we can help you out, my friend. We'll put you down there for worst of all these guys right now. Good, man. I like this guy's hair. He got great, dude. We're going to put him with best right here. I like it because he got a lot of hair going up top. Oh, Prime. So we're going to go with Prime in this picture right now. Not Ping Pong Prime. We're going to go with best, a little bit under Michael because we like the way Dion's hair turned out. Got a great hairline that's been reconstructed for his benefit. Looks really good. Well, Rodman's got good hair, just different. Neymar's got good hair, but not a lot. Tom has good hair, obviously, but there's speculations about Tom's hair out there. And KD, we can definitely restore your hair if you would like to come speak to our people here. And MJ's just got greatest hair of all time. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. If you guys want to see more videos of Restore, like and subscribe down below. Good.